Welcome to the Replique material database. This is the first database providing you with a comprehensive overview on additive manufacturing materials. It allows you to search for materials based on their name, printing technology, manufacturer, relevant tags, and most importantly, on specific properties. So let's start setting filters for the following example, including mechanical, thermal, electrical, and flammability properties. Our search results in two materials which fulfill these requirements. In the next step, we can look into the details of the materials, download their latest technical datasheet, contact the respective material provider, or reach out to Replique to ask for an offer to get our part printed. Realizing your 3D printing application has never been easier.